Did you know that by mixing mothballs with detergent, you can eliminate a problem that many people dread in the home? After discovering this tip, I never had to buy it at the market again. To begin, separate 4 mothballs. Then wrap them tightly in a paper towel and grind them up using a heavy object. Ideally, they should be very fragmented. Now take a container and add 200 milliliters of detergent. Here, I'm using the bottle itself, but you can choose whatever you have at home. Then, pour the crushed mothballs in. But calm down. That's just the first part. Now add a glass of water at room temperature and then 2 tablespoons of alcohol. This amount is enough to enhance our mixture. And for a special touch, choose a disinfectant with a scent you like and add 2 capfuls. This detail makes all the difference. Last but not least, add a generous amount of cloves. And do you know why? At the end of this video, you'll understand the true power of this ingredient. Now just cover the container and mix well until all the ingredients are incorporated. And look, if you have or know someone who suffers from this problem at home, this tip could be a real find. Many people, especially women, are frightened when they see this unwanted visitor roaming around their rooms. Here at home, he always appeared. But after I started using this mixture, I never had this problem again. After mixing everything well, our solution is ready. But what is it for? What we've just prepared is a powerful homemade insecticide and repellent. Yes, that's right. This mixture is incredible for warding off cockroaches, flies, mosquitoes, bees, and even some species of spider. I use it mainly in my bedroom, especially in summer when we usually leave the window open. If you don't have a screen, this tip will make all the difference. As well as keeping the room clean and scented, this solution keeps insects away. In bathrooms, this mixture is also excellent, as the smell tends to be stronger in these spaces. With a few sprays, the room is fresher and free of insects. And remember cloves? It contains a component called eugenol, which insects simply can't stand. Together with naphthalene, which is also a natural repellent, this combination becomes a real barrier against pests in the home. Another very effective application is in drains. Simply pour a good amount of the mixture down them. This eliminates insects right at the source, preventing them from proliferating and invading your home. That's it. Now you know how to prepare a powerful, inexpensive, and super easy homemade repellent. I hope you enjoyed it. A big hug, and see you in the next video.